Good afternoon, dear students. Have you done your homework? Okay, good. All of us fine. Can we start our today lesson? Okay. Today lesson is exercise 2.3 in page number 36. In your textbook, page number is 36. The exercise is 2.3. In previous class, what are we studied? What are we studied? We studied polynomials division. Is it? That is, we studied the division algorithm of polynomials. We studied the division algorithm of polynomials. Is it? Can we start? Today, our first question is divide polynomial x by the polynomial g of divide the polynomial p of x by the polynomial g of x and find the quotient and the remainder in each of the following. In each of the following. That is, first one is p of x equal to s cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. g of x equal to x square minus 2. We want to divide p of x by g of x. That is, here dividend is p of x, that is x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3, and g of x is x square minus 2. That is, we can write x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. That is, x square minus 2 is divisor. Can we start? Can you understand? Okay, that is, here x cube, we want to x cube, here is x square, then we take x into x square equal to, we get, when we multiply x square with x, we get x cube, and x into minus 2 is minus 2x. That is, I write 0x cube minus 2x. Because here 0x square minus 2x. Because here is a term x square. When we take x into x square minus 2x, we will get only x cube minus 2x. There is no term in the x square. That is, we can, for more simplification or easy step, we take 0x square. That is x cube minus x cube. That is 0x cube. That is, here minus or negative 3x square minus 0x square, we get negative 3x square, and plus, that is plus 5x minus 2x, or plus 5x minus negative 2x, we get 7x minus 3. 7x minus 3. That is, next we want to minus 3x square. That is, here we take minus 3. Minus 3 into x square, we get minus 3x square, and minus 3 into minus 2, we get plus 6 or positive 6. That is, here there is, when we multiply these two, there is no term of x. That is, we can write plus 0x plus 6. Is it right? Is it? Yes. That is, when we take the difference, we get 0x square plus 7x minus 3 minus positive 6 or 6, that is we get minus 3 minus 6, we get answer minus or negative 9. That is here what is the quotient? Here what is the quotient? X minus 3 is the quotient and remainder is 7x minus 9. What are the answer? Answer is quotient is x minus 3 and remainder is 7x minus 9. Is it? Yes. That is next one is p of x equal to x raised to 4 minus 3x squared plus 4x plus 5 and g of x equal to x squared plus 1 minus x. That is x raised to 4 minus 3x squared plus 4x plus 5 x squared plus 1 minus x. That is we get x. We want to get x raised to 4. That is we take here x square plus x square, we get x raised to 4 and x square into 1 we get plus x square and here x square into negative x we get minus x cube. We can rewrite it as x raised to 4 minus x cube plus x square. These polynomials can be converted into this like this. We change the position of x square and x cube. Okay, that is for more easy step for simplification. We can rewrite this is into this form. This form x square minus x plus 1. Then we already get what is in first step x square into x square x raised to 4 x square into minus x minus x cube x square into 1 plus x square plus x square. That is here we take the difference x raised to 4 minus x raised to 4 we get 0 x raised to 4 and here is the term x cube, here is the term x cube is doesn't included, that means 0 x cube, that is 0 x cube minus x cube we get plus x cube and minus 3x square minus x square we get minus 4x square plus 4x plus 5 and next we take we want to get x cube, that is plus 1, that is plus 1 x, that is plus 1 x, that is plus 1 x, that is x into x square we get x cube and x into x we get minus x square and x into 1 we get plus 6. That is here we get the answer is 0 x cube minus 4x square minus x square, that is we get minus 4x square plus x square, that is we get minus 3x plus 5x plus 5x. Here we didn't get plus 5x, that is 4x minus x, we get plus 3x, and we get plus 5, and we get plus 5. That is we get minus 3x square plus 3x plus 5, that is we want to get minus 3x square, that is minus 3. We get minus 3 into x square, that is minus 3x square, minus 3 into minus x, minus 3 into minus x, that is plus 3x. 1 into minus 3, we get minus 3. That is we get the answer 0, also here 0, and plus 8. That is answer of second question is quotient is x square plus x minus 3, and remainder is 8. And remainder is 8. And next third one. And third one is p of x equal to x raised to 4 minus 5 x plus 6. 5x plus 6. And we want to take g of x equal to 2 minus x square. 2 minus x square. X raised to 4 minus 5x plus 6, and we can rewrite it as minus x square plus 2. This is equal. This is equal. That is x square minus x square, we want to get plus x raised to 4, that is minus x square. Minus into minus, we get positive. Minus x square into minus x square, we get that is x raised to 4. Next we get minus 2x square. Minus 2x square. When we take the difference, we get 0x raised to 4, and we get here the first polynomial of dividend. In dividend there is no x square term. There is no x square term, and here minus or negative 2 is occupied. That is here we consider the x square term is 0. Then 0 minus minus 2x square, we get plus 2x square plus 2x square, and we get minus 5x plus 6. Minus 5x plus 6. That is, what is the next step? What is the next step? Next step is, here we want to plus 2x square. That is, next step is minus 2. We get minus 2 into minus x square, we get 2x square. 2 into 2, we get negative 4. 2 into minus 2 or negative 2 is, we get negative 4. The answer is here 0 minus 5x minus plus 10. That is 6x minus minus 4. That is 6 minus 4. That is 6 plus 4. We get 10. That is here we get the quotient as minus x square minus 2, and remainder as what we get minus 5x plus 10. And the question number 2 and 3 are for your homework. That is, we are studied in previous classes, and also we get the knowledge from Question number 1 or first question. Okay, 2 and 3 are homework. You write in your notebook and finish the question. And we are discussing about fourth question. Fourth question means on dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by a polynomial of g of x, we get the quotient or the quotient and remainder where x minus 2 and remainder is minus 2x plus 4. Minus 2x plus 4. Find g of x. When we take a polynomial x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2, then we divide it by g of x. G of x is a polynomial. Then we get the quotient x minus 2 and remainder is 2 or negative 2x plus 4. We know that the division algorithm, that is what is the division algorithm? P of x, this is taken as P of x equal to g of x into q of x, that is quotient plus remainder. Here what we know? We know P of x. What is P of x? P of x is, what is P of x? P of x is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 equal to g of x into x minus 2 plus what is r or remainder minus 2x plus 4. Minus 2x plus 4. And next step we want to find g of x. That is next step. This is, or the quotient is coming to left side. That is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by, here is process is multiplication. When we come to left side, the multiplication is going to division. X minus 2 equal to g of x plus minus 2x plus 4. Minus 2x plus 4. Is it? Yes. Minus 2x plus 4. That is next step. We want to find the division of x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 whole divided by x minus 2. That is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 x minus 2. That is, we want to x cube, that is x square into x cube, x square into minus 2, that is minus 2x square. We get 0. Minus 3x square minus 2x square. We get minus 3x square plus 2x square. That is, we get minus x square plus x plus 2. We want to get minus x square. That is, we put minus x. That is minus x into x what is the answer? What is the answer? Minus x into x minus x square minus x into x minus x square and minus x into minus 2 we get plus 2x plus 2x. We take the difference, that is minus x square minus x square, that is minus x square plus x square, we get 0x square 0x square and x minus 2x we get minus x plus 2 minus x plus 2 and when we get minus x, which way we want to get minus x? Here in our hand the x is occupied, okay, that is minus 1 into x we get minus x and minus 1 into minus 2 we get plus 2. Answer is 0. Answer is 0. And what will that is we get the answer. But this is not our correct answer. In this way we didn't get our correct answer. Because why? Because first we here do the quotient is coming to left side. In this case the remainder is on right side. That is first we take the remainder into left side and then we are taking the quotient into left side. In the board mass we know bracket open, division, addition, board mass bracket open, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So in this case here we take first we take for our correct answer, first we take what? That is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 minus of 2x plus 4 equal to g of x into x minus 2. G of x into x minus 2. That is we get x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 here plus 2x minus 4 that is g of x into x minus 2. That is here we want to get, here we get x cube minus 3x square plus x and plus 2x, that is here we get plus 3x and plus 2x and plus 2x, sorry, plus 2 and minus 4 we get minus 2, that is g of x into x minus 2. Next step we get g of x equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 all divided by x minus 2. Is it correct? Yes. That is next step we find the division. For that x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 x minus 2. That is we get x square x we get x cube, x square into minus 2 we get minus 2x square, that is we get 0 x cube minus x square plus 3x minus 2. That is next we want to minus x square, that is x minus x and we get minus x square plus 2x, that is answer is 0 x minus 2 that is plus 1, that is plus 1 into x, we get x. 1 into minus 2, we get minus 2. That is answer is 0. Answer is 0. That is our g of, what is our g of x? G of x equal to x square minus x plus 1. This is our g of x. That is the solution for question number 4. This is our solution. And next question is fifth question. Fifth question is, what is fifth question? Give example of polynomials p of x and g of x, comma q of x and r of x which satisfy the division algorithm. And first one is degree of p of x equal to degree of q of x. Degree of q of x. That is, we want to take two polynomials, that is p of x degree and q of x degrees must be equal. We know degree of p of x is in division algorithm, degree of p of x greater than degree of q of x greater than degree of g of x greater than degree of r of x. That is degree of p of x greater than degree of g of x, or quotient greater than degree of g of x greater than degree of r of x. Is it correct? Yes. When we take a polynomial, dividend by divisor, its degree of dividend is high, and next one is quotient is, and here that is here one we want the degree of p of x and degree of q of x. That is, here we take 6x square plus 6x plus 6. This is a polynomial. This is p of x. When we dividing by 2 we get 3x square plus 3x plus 3. Is it right? Yes. That is, this is our q of x, or we can call g of x. Is it? This is our q of x. This is our q of x. Here degree of p of x is 2 and degree of q of x is 2. That is, the degrees are same. Next one is, what is next one? Degree of q of x. This following we can find the degree of p of x equal to degree of q of x. And next two more questions in 2 exercise 2.3. That's all your homework. Please write in your notebook and make them easy to find. Let's wind up our class. Thank you.